are all a little bit obsessed with two things. One is AI, automation, chat GPT, all of that. And the other is this kind of tech stackness.
Yeah.
So without asking you 4 questions at the same time, where does this fit into a tech stack and processes and things like that?
Yeah, no, that's a really great question. The thing that we always get with Elements is, oh, another CRM. No, it's not a CRM. We think there's an abundance of CRMs in the market, and we have absolutely no intention of becoming a CRM. Where businesses like us sit is right in the middle of the process. And you talk about AI, it's the hot topic at the moment. You know, I think 12 months ago it was blockchain. 12 months before that it was something else. There's always these trends in technology, and being a technologist, I've seen them come and go. I think what's interesting about AI is that it's definitely not the panacea that people claim it to be, but there is clearly benefit in things like automating repetitive tasks and also automating some form of decision making. And you generally do that based on historical work that you've done before. So you train your AI algorithms on what you as a business have done before, what decisions you've made in the past. So there's definitely use of it, and there's definitely scalability that it brings, but it's not the answer in isolation. I think in terms of the current tech that recruitment businesses use, we see an awful lot of spreadsheets, and spreadsheets are great. Spreadsheets absolutely have a role to play, but they're as good as the information you put into them, and they're as good as how often you open them and check them. So if we take that example of contractor insurance, it's great that you've got the expiry dates in there, but if someone doesn't open that spreadsheet, look at the expiry dates, phone all of the contractors that are out of date, make sure they've had their insurance updated, taken a copy of those certificates, updated the spreadsheet, it's useless, it's pointless. So it's all about modernizing that tech stack. And also what we see time and again is they have multiple systems that they have to log into, but also pass data around. And that's got a huge implication from a data protection perspective. Because if you're moving someone's data from one system to another system to another system to another system, how are you ensuring that you've got safety and security all the way? And also when a worker says, right, I want to be forgotten now, how many systems have you got to go to and do a right to be forgotten request in there? It's really, really challenging. So it's about modernization and it's about scalability.